Great day everyone. I am Srushti Padi from class 6th E. Today I am here to present the Veer Gatha of Lieutenant Manoj Kumar Pandey. He motivates me to gain strength, courage and confidence by every experience by which you stop to look fear in the face. He not only inspires me but also to all who will watch this multimedia presentation. Lieutenant Manoj Kumar Pandey, awardee of Paramveer Chakra, won by 11 Gorkha Rifles. So let us take a look on his life journey. Lieutenant Manoj Kumar Pandey, born on 25th June 1975 in Sitapur, Uttar Pradesh. Manoj Kumar Pandey loved his motherland intensely. Even as a child, he performed great acts of bravery that amazed most of the elders. He always dreamt of adorning the prestigious uniform of the Indian Army to fight with its enemies and decimate them. His keen desire to achieve uniqueness enabled him to establish his identity. It is noteworthy that he was a brilliant student in school, despite his gutsy temperament. He wrote in his personal diary that some goals are so worthy, it's glorious even to fail. Manoj was the eldest child of Sri Gopi Chand Pandey and Srimati Mohini Pandey. His early schooling took place at UP Sainik School based in Lucknow. Subsequently, he joined the prestigious National Defence Academy (NDA) to realize his dream of becoming an army officer. After graduating, Manoj joined the Indian Military Academy (IMA) to complete his final phase of training and was soon commissioned in the 1st Battalion of the 11 Gorkha Rifles, a unit renowned for its heroic exploits. Manoj Kumar Pandey was born to be an Indian soldier. He followed his dream of fighting and dying for his country someday, not before vanquishing the enemies of the soul. On commissioning, his first posting was in the Kashmir Valley. Thereafter, he was posted at Siachen. It was in Siachen when he received orders to move to Bitalik sector, where the first intrusions of the Pakistani army were detected on the Kargil heights. Renowned as the best fighters for the terrain, the Gorkhas were soon deployed in the Kargil sector. When his battalion became a part of Operation Vijay, he always stepped forward to carry out the most difficult task. He proved to be a vigilant observer when the mutilated bodies of 4 Jawans of another unit, who were part of an earlier patrol in the area, were found. He fearlessly approached the enemy and brought crucial victories through his crusades. His continuous efforts to establish contact with the post at Kukar Thang were finally successful and led to his eventual capture. Manoj was also a part of the team which recaptured Jobar Top and successfully established the first post there. Subsequently, B Company, won by 11 Gorkha Rifles, was given the task of capturing Khalubar. Platoon number 5. Commander Lieutenant Manoj Kumar Pandey led his team towards the enemy position on 3 July 1999. A determined Manoj fearlessly charged ahead with the booming battle cry, Jai Mahakali! Oi! Gorkhali, clearing two enemies' bunkers. While clearing the third bunker, a rush of bullets hit him on his shoulder and legs. The wounds were grievous, but the valiant soldier, not afraid of sacrificing his life, surged ahead from one bunker to the other, urging his men to continue the assault. Unfortunately, one bullet drilled right through the middle of his foot. He bled profusely, collapsing at the final bunker and finally asleep. Breathing out fumes of revenge in his final words, Na chodu. Having carved a niche by showcasing divine bravura, Manoj's name unfeigningly comes across during any visit to Kargil War Museum at Dras, Kargil, Jammu and Kashmir, or the army quarters near the Cardio Thoracic Center (CTC) hospitals in Pune, or the science block at Indian Defence Academy (NDA), or one of the apartments complexes for veterans in Ghaziabad district, Uttar Pradesh. During an interview at the NDA, he was asked why he wanted to be in armed forces. To this, he replied, I want to get the Param Veer Chakra. Taken aback by his most remarkable reply, the officer retorted in a good humored way, Is it a toy? Manoj boldly stated that in the course of his career, he would achieve this objective. And he did. The Paramveer Chakra was awarded to him, but unfortunately, he did not like to receive it in person. But the Paramveer Chakra was awarded to his father by our former president Kochiril Raman Narayan at the Republic Day parade in 2000. An entry from his personal diary below vividly reflects the undaunting spirit of the immortal hero. If death strikes before I prove my blood, I promise, swear, I will kill that. Written by Manoj Kumar Pandey. Here, the citation honored him for his outstanding leadership and devotion to duty for an exceptional high order in face of enemy. In the face of the enemy and made the supreme sacrifice in the highest traditions of the army. In order for the remembrance of Lieutenant Manoj Kumar Pandey, here is the certificate for displaying indomitable courage towards nation. Lieutenant Manoj Kumar Pandey. Lastly, I take the pledge. I hereby pledge to serve my country with honor till my last breath. I will always put my nation before self. I will positively contribute for the development of my country in my present capacity and to the best of my ability. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.